Good morning, Alan, Emma, and Elliot. I hope you're having a great day so far. Today we're going to be working in your algebra book on page 42 and 43. We're going to continue to solve algebraic expressions or equations. Something to keep in mind with these, we're going to have even more steps today. So that's what I'm going to show you. So we're going to look at the example on page 42. 5x plus 7 equals 3x plus 13. When you have equations like this, you want to determine which side you want to put x on and which side you want to put your numerals on. For me, I'm going to want to put x on this side because I don't really want to deal with negative numbers if I don't have to. And I can see my 5 is greater than my 3. So I'm going to try to move my 3x over. And I'm also going to try to move my 7 over here. So I'm going to want my x's over here and my numerals over here. So I'm going to first go ahead and get rid of the 7. So I'm adding 7. What's the opposite of adding? Subtracting. So I'm going to subtract 7 from both sides. 5x plus 7 minus 7 equals 3x plus 13 minus 7. Simplify my equation. 5x equals 3x plus, what's 13 minus 7? 6, correct? And this is what I have so far. Okay, now I need to get my 3x over to this side. Right now I have positive 3x. What's the opposite of adding 3x? Subtracting 3x. 5x minus 3x equals 3x minus 3x plus 6. Five x minus 3x gives me 2x equals 3x minus 3x gives me 0. 2x equals 6. Okay, now I need to make this 2 be by itself. This x by itself. So right now I'm multiplying by 2. What's the opposite of multiplying by 2? Dividing by 2. I'm going to divide both sides by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. X equals 6 divided by 2, which is 3. Now I can plug it back in. 5 times 3 plus 7 equals 3 times 3 plus 13. 15 plus 7 equals 9 plus 13. 15 plus 7 is what? 22 equals 22. I am right. X does equal 3. Remember, if you need to pause this as you're watching it, you can. Let's do another example together just to make sure you know how to do this. Let's look at number 1 on page 42. 2x minus 7 equals negative 6x plus 9. Okay, remember what I said back to the example. If I don't have to deal with negative numbers, I don't want to. So I got this negative 6. And remember, negative numbers are the same thing as subtracting. So what's the opposite of subtracting 6? Adding 6. So I'm going to move my 6 over and put all my 6's on one side. So I'm going to have 2x minus 7 plus 6x equals negative 6x plus 6x plus 9. Okay, 2x and 6x can be combined to say 8x minus 7 equals, these cross each other out, 9. Okay, so I'm subtracting 7. What's the opposite of subtracting 7? Adding 7. 8x minus 7 plus 7 equals 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7 equals 15, or excuse me, 16. 7, this crosses each other. I'm left with 8x equals 16. and I'm multiplying by 8. So what's the opposite of multiplying by 8? Dividing by 8. Divide both sides by 8. I'm left with x equals 16 divided by 8. X equals 2. Plug it back in. 2 times 2 minus 7 equals negative 6 times 2 plus 9. 2 times 2 is 4 minus 7 equals negative 12 plus 9. Negative 3 equals negative 3. We are correct. X indeed equals 2. Okay, hopefully these two examples helped you. If they didn't, please reach out to me. I'm always able to meet one-on-one or in a group via Zoom chat. Just let me know. See you guys later.